So yung nangyayari ngayon sa social media yung tungkol doon sa UP Los Baños, medyo nagkaroon ng kaguluhan yung arrogant na bastos daw kayo?
Hindi naman, those are the vigors of the youth. I could not answer properly because nagsasalita din sila lahat. Vague masyado and nag-chopper pa ako. And I had this, yung trap air na ayaw matanggal.
Well, sir, the student apparently was bullied by your supporters online.
I cannot do anything about that.
So there was,
But I would like to call on my supporters that, you know, this is a free country. And we respect each other's opinion. And I always say, if you disagree that I may not agree by what you say, or you say, but I will defend your right to say it. That's how it should be. So yung mga supporters ko, siguro over-enthusiastic. Or come to a point that I cannot do no wrong. Alam mo, yung ano na yun, unlike the others sa mga ibang venue, medyo klaro, maingay ang mga estudyante. They were also talking at the same time. So I could not hear vague masyado.
naramdaman niyo po ba na na-disrespect kayo or offended?
I was once a student, ganun talaga yung estudyante.
So may mga
We do not expect them to be old people na prim and proper. Those are the ways of youth and I can understand.
So
Maasanay ako ng ganun.
may panawagan na po from your spokesperson for decency and compassion na wag naman daw i-cyberbully yung